How to remove image background on Photopea. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to simply remove an image background or an object background once you have an image on Photopea. So let's get started. You will simply open up your photopea.com and you will be right here on your canvas. So if I want to remove the background for this object right here within an image, it's really easy to use using Photopea. So on Photopea, we have this option right here, which is called the magic wand. So we're going to right click on this one and I'm going to select quick selection because this is the easiest way to kind of like go for a shape. So I'm going to select quick selection. And now what we can do is we can just like click right here and I'm going to like click on the outer corner and there it is. You can see how it selected perfectly what I wanted to select. It selected the triangle for me, and this way you will be able to select any kind of object that you have. You have a person, you have an apple, you have a triangle, square, whatever shape you're going for. So or we can actually go ahead and now adjust it as well. If you see any of different edges and something like that, so you can just go ahead and cut it out. Once it's done, then what you have to do is you're just going to go to the selection tool, and we can also go with like auto select, or we can just select our image right here, our object. So once you select the object, or you can select the background, it will separate the object and the background right here. So this is how you can also go ahead and separate or remove an image from your background using Photopea. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.